if you're watching this video right now, it probably means we're about to come to your yard and we're gonna put a space in. We're gonna create a paradise in your backyard. Maybe we're doing a simple patio, maybe we're doing something extremely extensive. When we do that, a lot of times we make a mess, and I wanna show you what that mess looks like so you have an expectation. We say the bomb is gonna go off, and that is what's going on right now in this backyard. You can see it actually extends out to the front yard as well. You see this driveway all slicked up. It's been raining here. We've made a massive mess. We've got mud throughout this entire space. We just had a crane back in here. We had another truck that backed down this driveway, and you can kind of see it's a really long, narrow driveway. So we had a truck that backed down here. We had a crane all the way up in this yard right here. We've got gravel, we've got mess, we've got tools, we've got trash. But all this has to happen in order for us to create the backyard space of your dreams. And so I'm really recording this video so that I can show you guys the process, the extent of the damage and the mud and the destruction, if you will, so that when it does all happen in your yard, you kind of have that expectation. You know, like, hey, they've got a plan, they've got a process. This is all what has to happen in order for us to create these backyards. So what we've got right here, this is a soak pool. This is a drop-in hot tub slash plunge pool, and they weigh 22,000 pounds. So there's a lot of stuff that had to happen in order for this pool to get into the ground where it sits right now. So you've seen the destruction, you've seen the mess. Let me show you what this entire yard looks like after everything's put back together, after we've had a chance to clean up and put it back the way that you guys deserve and expect this to look. Let's check it out.
The entire neighborhood up because all the boys were just like, what? Like, this is our backyard?
From like day one, it was the opposite. It was everything, and it just made all of it so easy.
There are all these added things too, like power washers come multiple times.
Soul into is actually making a difference for you guys is really meaningful to us.
Literally every day, right? Like every day.
Get outside, my friends.